Is it possible to draw a data set? As in, can we draw a data set or create a data set just by drawing the data points? Well, if that is your question, the answer to this question is yes. It is possible using a wonderful library called as Draw Data. In this video, we shall be learning about Draw Data and how to create a data set using Draw Data. My name is Satyajit Patnaik and you are watching my channel. Welcome back and let's get started. So I was talking about this wonderful library, which is Draw Data. You can see this is the PyPy documentation of Draw Data. This small Python application allows you to draw a data set in a Jupyter notebook or in Google Colab. This should be very useful while teaching machine learning algorithms. You can get the same tool from going to drawdata.xyz, but with this library, you will also be able to use it from within the Jupyter itself. Now, let's start importing draw data. To import draw data, it's simply you can just copy this code, pip install draw data and run it in your command line, be it your Anaconda prompt or be it your Spider console or Jupyter console. So I have already installed raw data. So I'm not running this pip install raw data. What I'm doing is I'm quickly importing this draw underscore scatter from draw data and I'm calling draw underscore scatter. If I run this code, you can see a clipboard or kind of a board is created. This code works in Jupyter Notebook as well. It's just that I prefer using Colab. And you can see there are multiple options like reset, copy JSON, copy CSV, download JSON, and download CSV. A, B, C, and D are different classes. Let's say you want to create a multi-class classification data. Let's try to create a binary classification data. Let's say I will just deal with A and B. That means these are my two different classes. So let's say I will draw my A and B. Let's say this is my A and this is my B. Simple. Let's say you want another class. I will draw another class here, somewhere here. Upon drawing, you can see based on the drawing, the data points are getting generated. If you want, you can do it for 4 classes as well. I'm not pretty sure if it is applicable for more than 4 classes, but if you want to do it for more than 4 classes, what you can do is you can do it for 4 classes, then download the CSV, then again create another clipboard. And let's say you want to draw your fifth category here, do it, and then append your CSV files. That is one quick thing to do. Now let's say this is my data set. Class 1 is my blue dots, cyan dots are my class 2, and red dots are my class 3. Let's quickly use this data. So to use this data, what I'm doing is I'm downloading this CSV, allow, and you can see data.csv is downloaded. As I am using Google Colab, I'll have to, okay, I already have it because I was running it just before this class. Here I will upload this file, go to my downloads and upload it. But in case you are using Jupyter Notebook, this file will be downloaded in your same location. So you can quickly go ahead and import your pandas library and do pd.readcsv data.csv. So here I'm just using this one. So I'm copy pasting this path. This is the path and I'm reading it. And this is how my data looks like. If I do df, this is how my data looks like. So these are the different coordinates and your z axis is nothing but your number of classes. Now, if you want to see what are the different z records, you can do it. Or else if you want to see a value counts, you can also do this. So it basically tells you that plot kind equals to bar, and it basically gives you a distribution of your data points. Now your 3-class classification data set is ready. Of course, the data set only has 2 features, which is your x-axis and y-axis. You can append more features to it manually. Let's say you are adding some contract type, you are adding some other features, you can do it. But this is how you can use your draw data to create a data by drawing it. I hope you were not aware of this library until this video, but now you are aware of it. Please try this library. It's an amazing library just for your practice. And in case you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section because it helps in YouTube recommendations. I just want my videos to be trending. It should be, many people should watch my videos, which I'm not getting at the moment. So it's a request to all my viewers to comment down in the comment section below. And if you have a specific requirement on any of the topics, you can comment that as well. And definitely I will come up with a video within couple of days. That's it from my side. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, telling you again and again, and press the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. That's it. Signing off. Bye-bye.